Hi, my fellow YouTubers. It's Queenie and my blog, Queenie's Life as a Truck Driver's Wife. Guess what? I'm home. Out of the truck, in my bed, chilling, playing with my Noah boa. Say hi, Noah. Enjoying life. I just want to again thank you guys for all your support and this journey that I took on this blog. It's going to be memorable, something for not only for me to remember, my grandkids, and hopefully my great-grandkids to remember. Again, this is another touch in this year's doing and living my best life and moving forward. And I just want to again thank you guys so much. Please look at the recap video at the end, like, share, and I hope this be a blessing and inspiration for everybody else who wants to do the same with their own life. Peace. Thank you. It's nothing for memory. So this is gonna be my home for the next 2 weeks if I can make it. Because anybody that knows me gives you a number, and then once your number is called over the top, then I do. Not looking forward to that. Also wanted to tell you about an interesting story last night. We had a young, but I still haven't found any. But I did get a chance to. Anyway, until the storm calms down a little bit, we're gonna be stuck for a little bit.